What is going on here, people? Today we are taking a look at my broken headphones, and as you can see, the headband is broken. But the worst part is that the left side does not work at all. So I'll be taking a look at how to fix that, and for that I'll need to get inside the headphone. So for that I will be removing the cushions, and then getting inside the headphone. I have gotten access to the speaker, and upon closer inspection I've realized that the connections with the speaker are absolutely fine. So now the problem must be on the board, but for that I will need to get access to the board. So for that I will be using a screwdriver and getting inside the headphone. I've realized that one of the two wires being connected to the board is snapped off. So that was the main problem, I suppose, and connecting it physically I've realized that the sound is coming out of the second earpiece. So that means that the problem has been diagnosed, and the problem is that it is no longer connected. But while repairing I accidentally ripped off all four of the connections, and now I will need to fix my own issues that I have created myself. But this is for the good overall, because you see, now the connections that I will make will be much more stronger and much more durable. So this was for the better of myself as well as the headphone. So now connecting the red wire successfully, I have now gotten access to the black wire and connecting it to its desired and required terminal using the soldering iron. I was very successful, and now getting it through the outer shell. I will now place the outer shell exactly in the position where it was and connecting it perfectly. Now I will need to connect the speaker, and this was a very difficult part because I was not able to find the second terminal of the black wire. So I started soldering, and using the help of my smaller cousin, I was able to do this. And as you can see, I was using the soldering coil as well and connecting and disconnecting until I could find any sound out of the speaker. I was very heartbroken and about to give up on this project, but finally, after repeating the process again and again, I was finally able to realize that I was missing the wire connection, and finally when I got to the wire connection, the sound was perfectly fine. So I ensured that the solder was placed very perfectly, and now the sound coming out of this earpiece was totally perfect. So now the problem had been solved, and I starting getting things back together into place. And now finally, after adding epoxy steel to this headphones top, the headband which was broken, and letting it rest for one day, I have finally made it perfect, and now the headphone works perfectly, both sides at even volume, and the project was completely successful. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Peace out.